Okay, moving on to K. 72% of 80 is what number? So is the amount, so that's x of 80, that's the base, equals to 7.2 over 100 because it's 7.2%. We cross multiply x times 100 equals to 7.2 times 80. 100x equals 576. And then we divide both sides by 100 to get 5.76. L 150 is, so that will be the amount. 20% of what? So 20 over 100. And x would be the base. So 150 times 100 equals to 20 times x. 15,000 equals to 20x. And then divide both sides by 20. We get x equals 750. And what percent of 32 is 30? So it's the amount of the base. That's why is 30 is the amount of 32. That's why that's the base. And what percent? So this will be x over 100. Before you cross multiply, we can simplify. Divide by 2 to get 15. Divide by 2 to get 16. So now we have 15 times 100 equals to x times 16. 1,500 equals to 16x. And then divide both sides by 16. We get x equals 93.75%. And what percent of 33, so that's the base, is 22? Is what percent? So x over 100. Again, simplify before we multiply. Divide by 11 to get 2. Divide by 11 to get 3. Cross multiply. 2 times 100 equals to x times 3. 200 equals to 3x. And finally, just divide both sides by 3. We get x equals 66 and 2/3%. Oh, 188% of what number is 97.76 is the amount of the base is of what number, so the base is x equals to 188% over 100. We cross multiply, the denominators over, so we have 9776 equals 188x, and divide both sides by 188. We get x equals 52. P. 78% of what number is 105.3? So is the amount of what number? So of x equals to 78 over 100. We cross multiply. And then we divide both sides by 78. One 0, 530 divided by 78. We got 135. Q. 46.81 is, so that will be the amount. 62%, so 62 over 100 of what number? So of the base, so the what number represent x. That's why the base is x. So 46.81 times 100 equals to 62 times x. We have 4681 equals to 62x. And now we divide both sides by 62. We get x equals 75.5. are 43.29 is, so that would be the amount. 37%, 37 over 100 of what number? So of the base is x. 43.29 times 100 equals to 37 times x. We have 4329 equals to 37x, and now we can divide both sides by 37. So we got 117 for the base. As what is? So that will be the amount x is 62.5%, so 62.5 over 100 of 80. So 80 is the base. We cross multiply. We get 100x equals 5,000. And we divide both sides by 100. We got x equals to 50. T. 45% of what number is 5.4? So 5.4 over the base is what number? Because it's of what number? So the base is x equals to 45% over 100. So 5.4 times 100 equals to 45 times x. We have 540 equals to 45x. And now we divide both sides by 45. Okay, x equals to 12. Okay, that's the end of question 6. I will see you in the next video to go over the word problems. See you soon.